In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a profitable YouTube Shorts channel just like this one here, and it's earning $8,000 per month. You don't need any experience or even a camera. This channel didn't film any of the videos themselves, which makes it one of the easiest ways to make money with YouTube Shorts, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do. So let's get into it. The first thing that I want to show you is how I came across this particular channel. So if I go into search and I just enter hashtag shorts, and then you just want to scroll down and select shorts. And that's going to open up the short shelf where all the YouTube shorts are uploaded. And if you look here, as you can see, they already have millions of shorts videos, a total of 712 million. But the number of channels compared to the number of videos is still really small. That means there's still a lot of opportunity to get in early and make a passive income. So the only thing I did was scroll through here and look for faceless niches or videos that don't require you to show your face. If we look here, we get something like art. This looks like something like anime that was 1 month ago with 13 million views. This right here is facts. This looks something like food, but one that stood out in particular was anime. So I went and found a viral channel that uploads anime videos. And what I wanted to do next was research similar videos by searching hashtag shorts plus anime, because we're researching this particular niche, which is anime. So if you were looking for a cooking niche, it would be hashtag shorts plus cooking, or weight loss, funny cats, etc. But in this case, we're looking for anime, so we're just going to put hashtag shorts plus anime. And the reason we're going to do this is because we want to check for popularity and views to see how well this niche is doing. So I'm just going to scroll through here. As you can see, this video has 2.5 million views. This got 9.3 million views. That was 3 months ago. 9 million views 4 months ago. 14 million views here 9 months ago. 4.6 million views 6 months ago. So these videos are getting millions of views in a niche that has little to no competition, so we're good to go there. Next, I wanted to take a closer look to see what the successful channels are doing. So if we go back and take a closer look at the Anime God channel to see exactly what they're doing, and if we just go here and click on shorts and just scroll through here and see what type of videos that they're uploading, they're just these anime shorts videos. And as you can see, they're getting thousands to hundreds of thousands to millions of views on these videos. And if we go over to Social Blade, we'll see that this channel is earning $8,000 per month and $97,000 per year in ad revenue. And that's possible because if we look at how many views they get per day, as you can see here, they get 16,000 views this day, 50,000 views, 38,000 views, 49,000 views, 70,000 views in one day. So there's lots of ads that run on top of these videos. So how are we going to get videos and take advantage of this particular niche? The first thing that we want to do is go to TikTok and search for relevant keywords in your niche. And in this case, it's going to be anime, and just enter. And then you just want to select accounts. And here you'll find a lot of different accounts that's making a lot of money and getting hundreds of thousands to millions of views on these videos. So now what we want to do is find popular TikTok accounts that post videos that's related to our niche. And I found this account here called AnyFlexer. And as you can see, this account has 6.6 million likes. And if we look at the videos on this account, it's getting thousands to hundreds of thousands to millions of views. So what we want to do is grab some of their most popular videos. So I'm just going to look through here, and this is one of the most popular ones. As you can see, it's got 1.4 million views. So I'm just going to click on this video to open it. You can also see that the engagement on this video is high. It got 191,000 likes. So now what I'm going to do is copy the link to this video, and if you don't see this link here, the only thing you have to do is click on this little share icon, and you have the option to copy link here. So I'm just going to copy this link, and then we're going to use snaptik.app to download the video. The best thing about this app is not only will it download it to your computer, but if there's a TikTok watermark, it will also remove that watermark. So what we want to do is just paste our link here. Then we're going to click download, and as you can see, this is our video here. And you just want to download it to your computer. And now that we got the video downloaded to our computer, we want to go to canva.com and create a blank mobile video. So you just want to go into search and select mobile video. And you do have the option of a lot of templates to choose from. Some are paid, so you will have to upgrade to use the pro versions, but there are a lot of free versions also. But we're just going to use the blank template. And then you're just going to upload your video and drag and drop it onto the canvas. Now, if the video doesn't automatically upload to the size of the canvas, what you can do is just click on the little corners and you could adjust the size of it. Now, what we want to do is edit this video by adding some text to make it unique and copyright free. So we're just going to make it a reaction style video. And the first thing that you want to do is turn down the music. I've already done that to remove any type of copyright that may be linked to the music. And to do that, you would just click on it, and there's a little volume icon up here. You would just click on that and turn it all the way down. And then we're going to go here to text. And you could use any type of font that you want, but I kind of like this one here, so I'm just going to click on that. And then a little small text here, I don't need that, so I'm just going to click on it and delete it. And then I'm going to go up here to effects, add a background, and I'm going to change the background color to, let's just say, white. And then a text color, I'm gonna highlight that, and I'm going to make my text color black. And now I'm going to highlight my text, and I'm going to align it to the center. And then I'll just say something like, comment what's in the cup. And then I'll just drag it out a little bit, maybe shrink it, and I'm going to pull this down to the bottom. And if you want, you could even add like a little bit of a twist to it. So now we're going to have people commenting what they think is in a cup. Is it coffee? Is it tea? Is it something else? We don't really know. So we're going to upload this already proven to be viral video, and people are going to be commenting. And while they're commenting, this video is still going to be playing in the background on loop, giving you an average view duration of over 100% because the video is playing more than once while they're commenting, and that's how you go viral. And as you can see, this video is 13 seconds, which is perfect because if you're uploading YouTube Shorts, your videos have to be 60 seconds or less. So you just want to go here to share and then download and download it to your computer. And as you can see, it's now downloading. So now that we get our video that's completely unique and copyright free, we want to upload it to YouTube. So you just want to go to your YouTube channel and just go to this create icon here. Click on that and you get a drop down. You just want to select upload video. Then select files, select the video you just downloaded and open. Now you just want to make sure that you put relevant keywords in your title, and in this case, it's going to be anime. So for the title, we could just say something like anime girl hashtag shorts. You want to put hashtag shorts, this way YouTube will know that it's a shorts video. And what we're going to do is copy this, and we're also going to paste that into the description. This is going to provide more information for YouTube to know what your video is about. So it's good for SEO and it help you rank in search. Next, we just want to scroll down and you want to select no, it's not made for kids. And then we could just scroll down and add some SEO tags here. You just want to add as many tags as possible that's related to your niche. This is also good for search. So you just want to put in as many relevant keywords as possible. And as you can see, you get up to a total of 500 characters. So you could just say something like anime video, anime shorts video, anime girl, anime. And once you finish putting in all of your keywords that's related to your topic and niche, you just want to click next and follow through until you publish. Then you just want to keep an eye on your video's performance, including views, likes, and comments. Experiment with different videos and niches to find out what works best for you, and consistently upload new content to keep your channel active. So in just a few steps, you can make some real good money copying and pasting YouTube Shorts. And now check out this video to discover how you can make $1,000 a day with ChatGPT. Anyone can do this, and I'll show you how to do it in this video right here, so check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to drop a like and subscribe with the notifications on so you don't miss out on any of the new content. As always, I'll see you in the next video.